News on the presidential polls, a new week and a new reason for the opposition to seek Pranab Mukherjee's disqualification as presidential candidate. PA Sangma's backers from the Biju Janata Dal filed an objection on the grounds that Pranab Mukherjee holds an office for profit as the chairman of the Indian Statistical Institute. With the race for Rashtrapati Bhavan far from over, sources tell NDTV, Pranab Mukherjee had resigned from that post when he stepped down as finance minister. Needless to say, his name was pulled off the institution's website within hours.
This morning, Kolkata's Indian Statistical Institute's website showed Pranab Mukherjee as its chairman. Within hours, Pranab's name was gone. A change forced by an objection filed in Delhi by the Biju Janata Dal and the Bharatiya Janata Party. They've demanded that Mukherjee, seen as the front-runner in the presidential election, be disqualified, claiming he was the chairman of the Statistical Institute on the day he filed his nomination, which is wrong as the post is an office of profit and rules bar such nominees.
मुझे पूरा विश्वास है प्रणब मुखर्जी का नामांकन रद्द होगा और श्री संगमा सर्वसम्मति से हिंदुस्तान के राष्ट्रपति चुने जाएंगे, ऐसा मुझे पूरा विश्वास है.
The objections led to a flutter. The process of scrutiny of nominations was shifted to Tuesday. After the initial surprise, the government responded.
Both Mr. Chidambaram and I, we went to Mr. Pranab Mukherjee, and when we brought it to his notice, he straightway told us that he had already resigned from there. And therefore, we are now preparing a written reply. We'll submit the reply by tomorrow.
Mukherjee has to file a response by 2 p.m. tomorrow. The issue may be settled if the returning officer is satisfied that the chairman of the Statistical Institute is not an office of profit, or Mukherjee quit in time. Earlier in the day, Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik accused Mukherjee of offering inducement as finance minister to certain states.
I understand lakhs of crores for certain states like Bihar, Bengal and UP. Could it be that this money is going because he wants certain parties to support his candidature as Rashtrapati of India?
When these packages are rolled out, the person who rolls them out doesn't know that they will become candidates for the highest office in the country.
And the Congress too attacked Mukherjee's rival, PA Sangma, fielding its Meghalaya Chief Minister.
To have the right to actually claim that he represents all tribals of this country, all tribals of Meghalaya, all people of the state should rally around him. There has to be a reason, but I don't find any reason to rally around behind him.
In the race for the Raisina Hill, mud has already started flying. Escalation of tensions between the backers of Purno and Pranab perhaps will ensure that grace and niceties will be soon replaced by active politicking in the election to the post of the head of the Constitution of India. In Delhi, Rahul Srivastava for NDTV.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app, fully optimized for retina display, full screen view, faster response time, and Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.